Hey, beautiful babes. Welcome into Sugar Fingers. Yeah.
In this moment, yes, I cannot say what's wrong or right. No, it's not hard to fool me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to the good.
So today, beautiful babes, I wanted to share with you a method of putting on press-on nails. It's kind of popular, sort of, kinda, but I have been using it and I am loving it. So let's get down to my desk and let me show you how I put on these press-on nails today. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, now's a good time to do it. Subscribe, hit the bell, and stay in the know right here on Sugar Fingers. Okay, beautiful babes, these are my natural nails. Now today what I'm doing, I've already dehydrated my nails with some alcohol and I'm just applying some Mia Secret. This is like a fast drying top coat that you can use. It's a glossy top coat that I'll be using. I may not have needed to actually do this, but I just wanted to kind of protect my nails a little bit more because I'll be using a base coat on here and I just wanted to just have some extra security on them. So this usually dries within 30 to 60 seconds and it's good to go. I actually applied 2 coats, as you can see, on my nails, but again, I just wanted that extra stability on my nails in order to make sure that, you know, my natural nail is protected. And I'll finish this up and I'll be back in a second. So of course I'm just letting my nails dry right now. I like to try to keep my natural nail as healthy as possible, so I let them air out for at least a full day or so before applying the next enhancement. Now we are using today the double dip base coat. This is a dip powder base coat that I'll be using on my nails. Obviously, I struggled a little bit to get it open. Now, what dip powder base coat is basically a glue. That's why I use it now to put on my press-on nails, fake nails, etc. And it dries just as quick as any glue that you could use. Today, I'm applying the Kiss nails. This particular set here, I got it from probably like the Dollar General or something like that. So it wasn't one that was online, but I thought it was just super cute, especially since it's springtime now. So unfortunately, you won't be able to find this one anywhere, but I decided to just go ahead and use it just to do another test of the dip base coat on applying nails and see if it would actually work on the Kiss press-on nails. So, but I will link Kiss's website down below so that you can check out the other styles that they do have, which they get new styles in all the time. And excuse me for getting off of the frame, out of the frame. Girl, I just be busy. Once I get started, I stop thinking about I'm recording and just concentrate on the nails. Bad nail technician that I'm not. I just love doing my own nails. So let me finish up these and I'll be back momentarily. I don't think I mentioned that when I apply the nail, I go ahead and press and hold it on there. Now, I did not etch the inside of the nails, so if you do that, they will definitely last a lot longer adhering to the glue, any type of glue that you're putting on, and that'll definitely help, you know, the nail to stay on much longer and stronger. So the final thumbnail, I'm pressing it on now, and guess what? It's as simple as this, y'all. Nails are done. I'm just wiping off the excess glue with some alcohol. And the final steps here, all we have to do at this point is go underneath. As my nail, for whatever reason, did not meet the actual press on, I just put a little glue right there to give it some extra security. And there they are, feeling pretty sturdy, looking real cute. Now, for whatever reason, these do have a little tip on the end that sticks out. I just go ahead and lightly file that off of there and make sure that they're smooth and looking crisp. So let me finish that part up. Just remember that when you get the kiss nails, most of them do have this little tip on the end that sticks out. So just get that off of there. And after every amazing manicure, always use your cuticle oil. Cuticle oil is not only nourishing for the cuticles, it will help to strengthen your nail beds, your nails, and also nourish your skin, your hands. Get rid of those dry knuckles. It's perfect for that all around. And finally, the finished look. There we go. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. And they hold great. And there you go, beautiful babes. I hope you enjoyed that. I really hope you did. I hope you learned something new and how to put on your nails. Heck, who needs to go to the nail shop? We can do this stuff at home. Absolutely, we can. If you have any questions regarding the process, please hit me up down in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond to you as soon as I possibly can. Take care for now, beautiful babes, and thank you so much again for hanging out on Sugar Fingers. And remember, as we say over here, keep the hair, the face, the hands, and them feet looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. 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 Bye.
So tell your good night.